Okay guys, last week or 2 weeks ago this company got a hold of me and asked me if I would want to do a review on their shoes. They're called Indestructible shoes, okay? My old shoes when I do chainsaw carving are getting pretty damn worn. Okay? You can see where's the tag, but they are approved by WorkSafe. We have WorkSafe in Canada, but that green tags makes them approved for a workplace, okay? So let's check out these Indestructible shoes. Here's the shoes, right here. Okay, they're steel toe. They're not too heavy. They're not too light. I think they might be just like these ones. These ones are steel toes too, guys. But I said, sure, yeah, I'll make a video. I need a new pair of shoes for when I do chainsaw carving. And geez, these are indestructible. So I'm gonna put them on, walk around for a bit, see how comfortable they are. And I gotta go carve 1,000,000 pumpkins at my chainsaw carving station. So I'm gonna take these over there today. And we're gonna see if heavy hands, we're gonna see how indestructible these shoes are for AKA heavy hands. Yep. Okay, so here I am carving these pumpkins. Today's not going to be a pumpkin video. We're going to test out these indestructible shoes. So my bro Scotty's here, and he actually lives here. Look at the guy, he's a giant. Okay, so Scott, you can't rip them, can you?
I cannot rip them, no. Pretty indestructible.
Okay, so let's try our next step here.
Absolutely.
Okay, so let's get some screws in these shoes with this drill here. Let's see if screws go through the shoes. Okay, Scotty, you think I should go?
Absolutely, buddy.
Okay, obviously, these are steel toe shoes, guys, so I'm not even going to attempt to get the screws through the steel toe, obviously, right, Scott?
That's right, buddy.
Okay, so let's give this a try. Zoom in there, Scotty. Just kind of hold the camera down towards the shoe. You got it?
Absolutely, I do.
Okay, Scotty, look, one screw in.
Not very indestructible.
One screw in. Now let's get this other shoe here, Scotty. Okay. Okay, there's another screw in. Goddamn indestructible shoe. Look, I even hit it with a wrench, and it doesn't break. Okay. Okay, we got the Still 034 with a dull blade on it. So let's see if we can make sure if this shoe's indestructible or not. Okay, Scotty, over to the shoe. What do you say about that, Scotty? You gotta love this Still 034, don't ya?
Absolutely.
Oh, let's see the shoe here. Just straight up indestructible shoe. Look, you even got some different colors in the sole. All right, okay, on to the next test. Okay, Scotty, let's hit it with this roofing tiger torch. I did roofing my whole life, so this is just torch for detail, roofing. Okay, so also I cut the shoe in half with the chainsaw because I use chainsaw for chainsaw carving, and I was looking to get a new pair of shoes because my normal shoes for chainsaw carving are thrashed. Anyways, Scotty, over to the shoe. Let's test her out. Okay. Scott, you got any hot dogs around?
Yeah, I wish, buddy.
Okay, so obviously they burn. No. I say we call that a wrap, people. Hey Scotty,
Absolutely.
Indestructible shoes. They last forever and they're indestructible. Okay, so we got one shoe left here. And I got my little sledgehammer. I wish I had my big one. So, beautiful indestructible shoe here. So let's give this one more try. Let's try and bang this steel toe, see what happens. Okay. Steel toes all bent in. I don't see what's so instructable about these shoes, people. I don't see what's so instructable about these shoes. Oh. See the steel toe all bent in there? Not indestructible shoes. Now I wonder if they're going to send me my free pair after I make this video like they said they would. Hope everybody's good. Heavy hands. Hey guys, okay, so I just got in from chainsaw carving and I'm pretty damn tired. But about those shoes, so would I use them for chainsaw carving? Absolutely not, I wouldn't. Would I use them for to go to work when you need to wear steel toe shoes? I wouldn't be allowed, they're not certified. Would I use them to go beachcombing? Yeah, sure, why not? They don't seem like that bad shoes. I'm not here to destroy a company. You know, they call me heavy hands, so if somebody wants to put me up to a challenge, I'm going to take it. You know, so I think they're actually not bad, and they're fairly affordable shoes, guys. So that's a wrap on that. Indestructible shoes. Heavy hands. Ooh.